Alright, we're going to go over how to remove your bolt and your bolt carrier group from your Origin-12 shotgun. Okay, first thing is always make sure things are safe. The shotgun's safe because it's been flagged. So I would always recommend when you're working on the shotgun to have the carrier forward. That way you don't accidentally put your fingers in an area, bump something, and it comes down and it pinches your fingers. So I would just go ahead and charge it forward. The next step is you need to open up your dust cover. So there's two Allen wrenches right here, or Allen screws right here. You remove one on each side. That one. And this one here. Okay. As soon as you have those two out, go ahead and fold your stock. One little trick to folding the stock. People try to do this, it's hard. Just grab the shotgun like you're gonna shoot it, like so. Treat this button head screw right here like a button. Reach up with your thumb and push up, and when you do that, it just folds super easy. Next thing, now that the Allen screws are out of the dust cover, pop the dust cover open. Then you're gonna wanna remove your carrier spring. By pushing it forward, it comes out of a little detent notch that's in the back of the spring locator. Go ahead and remove the spring locator. It just slides out of a groove. Behind that, there's a buffer. Pull the buffer out. Same thing, it slides in and out of a groove. That groove is right here, located right here. It's right there, beneath that channel right there. So once you're at that point, now you're ready to remove your carrier group. You just pull it back. Lift up and rotate, and then it'll slide right out. So now you have your bolt carrier group out. Once you have your carrier group out, your bolt comes out by pulling it back as you rotate. Rotate it out of the track, which is right here. Once you rotate it out of that track, it just slides forward and out. So this is all the farther you need to take this particular part down. Just clean the track, grease the track, clean up your piston, oil the hole that the actual bolt goes in. The next step is the actual bolt itself. So the bolt is in two main pieces. Probably things to look for that are wear items over time is the spring that goes for the extractor. You just want to make sure that moves and it's got tension on it. To take the bolt apart, it's a clockwise turn. When you do that, it comes apart. These two ears line up with those two notches. Put it back together, just line it up and push it back in, like so. And once you get it apart though, inside of here you're gonna have your firing pin and your firing pin spring. They'll need cleaned up, greased and oiled. Put that back together like that. And then here is a firing pin extension. Same thing, just clean it and oil it. Slide them back together. This goes back in here. Line up the notches and a little bit of a turn. You know you have it in correctly if this big notch on the bottom are lined up. You can put this in 180 out. You can spin it around and put it in. But when you do that, you'll notice that this notch and this notch do not line up anymore. So it's 180 out. Just take it, spin it, find the notch again, line it up to where that's like so. All right, putting it all back together, just in reverse. Drop it in here, rotate it around till it's in the notch, push it forward like so. Then you need to install it back into the receiver. Upside down, just line it up with the hole right there where the piston goes through. Once you're right to there, turn it and rotate it. Okay, then shove the back end down. Make sure that this is all the way rotated and forward when you do this, otherwise it makes it difficult. Goes back in just like so. Then you put in your buffer. These little ears right here, these notched ears, they go in and they get hooked in down there in the rear trunnion. Okay. Same thing with the buffer spring locator. It's got two little ears on it right here, and right there. That goes down and it drops in and gets captured by that groove that's in the rear trunnion. Insert your carrier spring into the carrier. That back. Push it in. And there's a notch right there that it drops into. It's a little hole. Once you're in there, you're good. That's all it needs. Take the dust cover, pop it down. Go ahead and reinsert the 2 Allen screws on both sides of the dust cover. Okay, add 1 and 2. Now when you're tightening down these Allen screws, you are tightening it down on plastic. It needs to be snug so it doesn't come loose, but you don't have to get crazy with it. Just snug it up, just like so. All right. Make sure it charges as it should. That's how you do your bolt carrier group.